रखा है अपना मतलब today's topic is Diwali. As you know that Diwali is festival is going on. So first of all, I am calling Sushil and I am happy that he has written his name first. Very good, Sushil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am the student of the Raman Online Interactive Classes from B16. Today's our topic is Diwali. As you know, we live in Bharat, and Bharat is country of festivals. Because many festivals are celebrated here, like Holi, Diwali, Tej, Makar Sankranti, Dashera, and other festivals. Mm, Diwali is most favorite festival of Bharat because most of people like this festival. Mm, all festivals are important, but Diwali is the most important festival. Mm, this is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram, and this is celebrated every year on Kartik Amavasya.
Hmm.
Uh, with this festival, four other festivals are celebrated.
Hmm.
Mm, before before this festival, houses
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत अच्छा घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी वेरी गुड हाँ
and are cleaned and they are painted.
हम्म
Mm, as we know that this festival is celebrated for 5 days.
हम्म
First day, Dhanteras is celebrated.
हम्म
This day, people buy utensils, gold, silver, and other things.
हम्म
The next day, Choti Diwali is celebrated, and the next day of it, main Diwali is celebrated.
हम्म
On this day, sweets are bought and new and on this day people decorate decorate their houses and shops
हम्म
and they go to temple.
हम्म
In the evening, Ganeshji and Lakshmiji are worshipped
हम्म
and and on this day special food is made like dal bati churma and other dishes.
हम्म
The next day, Govardhan is celebrated.
हम्म
On this day, Ankut is made in the temples and and they are served to all.
हम्म
Uh, this is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishnaji
हम्म
and the next day Bhai Dooj is celebrated.
हम्म
Uh, this day sisters apply tika to their brothers and brothers give many gifts to their sister.
हम्म
This way this festival is celebrated with happiness and joy.
हम्म
And we enjoy this festival much because this festival is very favorite of all. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड नाइस स्पीकिंग शाबाश बस हो गया है काम है ना बहुत अच्छा वेरी गुड शाबाश बेटा बस कोशिश करते रहो यस निशा
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today I am going to tell you about Diwali. As we all know that Bharat is the land of festivals because there are many festivals are celebrated. Uh, like uh, like Makar Sankranti, Holi, Tej, Gangor, etc. Diwali is the one of them. It is very important festival of Hindus. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram because on this day Sri Ram came back uh, from Banvas after 14 years. It is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya. Uh, this festival is celebrate on this before this festivals house and shops are cleaned and also painted and some people also decorate them. Uh, this festival is celebrated for 5 days. First of all, we celebrate no, Dhanteras. On this day, people purchase the domestic things, and next day is called Choti Diwali. It is it is celebrated before Big Diwali. On this day, people decorate their homes and also lighted. Uh, Next day, we celebrate the main festival is Diwali. On this day, at all people prepare many special foods and sweets, and also put on new clothes. At the evening, Ganeshji and Lakshmiji are worshipped, and also children's firecrackers. On this day, all people were happy and they celebrate this festival with their uh, all family members. Next day, we celebrate Govardhan. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. On this day, all people made Govardhan, and at the evening, they Govardhan is worshipped. And on this day, also childrens and other older people uh, fired crackers. Next day, we celebrate Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters apply tika on brother's hand, and brothers give them some gift. Uh, in this way, this festival is celebrated with happiness and joy till 5 days. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. बस एक छोटी सी बात है, वर्ड्स पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो. वर्ड्स का मतलब शब्दों पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो जब आप उनको यूज करो, और इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि एक बार सुनना हो अपनी, आप सुनोगे ना तो बहुत अच्छा है आपका. थोड़ी सी घबराहट की वजह से, और थोड़ी सी घबराहट है उसकी वजह से शब्दों को इधर उधर हो जाते हैं तुम्हारे. थोड़ा सुनना है एक बार आप. बाकी वेल डन, बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है. शाबाश, कीप इट अप. सुनना जरूर आप, बस मैं यही कह रहा हूँ. सुनते ही आपको पता चल जाएगा. रक्षित, कम.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today's our topic is Diwali. So, as we all know that Diwali is the biggest festival of Bharat, and it is celebrated every year, and it is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram, because on this day, Lord Ram came to Ayodhya after 14 years of Vanvas,
केम बैक ठीक
and
रहेगा. केम बैक.
okay, sir, came back 14 years of Vanvas, and on this day, and before this festival, houses and shops are cleaned and painted, and and after, and and with Diwali, 4 festivals are also celebrated, and the first. So I shall tell you the 4 festivals and Diwali one by one. So first of all, Govardhan. First of all, Dhanteras is celebrated, and on this day, sir, शुभ को क्या बोलेंगे?
ऑस्पिशियस.
Okay, sir. It is auspicious to buy utensils, gold, silver, jewelries, and other things.
वेरी गुड.
And the next day or after Dhanteras, it is Choti Diwali is celebrated, and it is celebrated before the main festival Diwali. And on this day, people decorate their homes with lights, and then and the next day Diwali is celebrated, and on this day people on this day and at evening people worship goddess Lakshmi and Ganesh ji and Saraswati Mata ji, and a delicious food is made on Diwali, and people also fire crackers on this day, and sweets are eaten on this day, and the next day Govardhan is celebrated, and it is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna, and the next day Bhai Dooj is celebrated, and on this day sisters came to their brothers home.
Come.
Okay,
Not
sir,
from
come
Gujam,
to
from
their
our- हाँ,
yes, sir, come to their brothers home and apply tika tika on their brothers' forehead, and offer them sweets, and brothers give gifts to their sisters. So this way these 5 festivals are celebrated with joy and happiness, and sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स पे और थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, है ना, थोड़ा सा. बहुत बाकी सब अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना, और थोड़ा सा करो. हाँ, कभी कभी टेंस का, कभी ये इसका इतना फ्लो में आ जाना चाहिए वो, है ना, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन अच्छा है, बस कोशिश करो आप. यस, हर्षित.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and today's my topic is Diwali. As we all know very well that in Bharat is known as the country of festivals, because many festivals are here that are celebrated by most of the people, like Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Bhai Dooj, etc. Diwali is one of them. It is the most popular festival among the Indians, and
सुनना ध्यान से जरा.
it is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram as he came back from Ayodhya after 14
है फ्रॉम अयोध्या.
came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of Vanvas. Uh, uh, Diwali is the occasion which is very important, because there are many activities that take place on this
वेरी गुड,
day.
बहुत अच्छा. हाँ,
Before Diwali, houses are cleaned very well, so that you can see the houses that are very clean, and if you will see the corner, then those corner will be more cleaner than you think.
ओपन कंडीशन में आना चाहिए था. इफ यू सी
Okay, sir.
वाला क्लोज सिंपल पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान करोगे तो होने लग जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Okay, sir. And before Diwali, houses and shops are decorated well. First, this Diwali is celebrated for about 4 to 5 days. First day is celebrated as Dhanteras. On this day, people say that it is very good to buy utensils and silver, gold, and many other things. So many people buy many things on this day, and the next day is celebrated as Choti Diwali. It is known as Choti Diwali because the day after Choti Diwali is main, which is known as Diwali. On Choti Diwali, there are some activities only, like some children or adults use crackers on this day, and diyas. Some diyas are lighted on this day also. And the next day, main festival Diwali is celebrated. On this day, there are many things that take place. On this day, goddess Lakshmi is worshipped, and many people say that goddess Lakshmi keep your blessings with us. And on this day, there are many crackers that are blasted by people, and you can clearly hear the sound of crackers which are nearby you.
वेरी गुड,
And
शाबाश. हाँ.
on this day, many diyas are lighted because it is said by our grandfathers or our grandparents that it is very good to to light diyas because by lighting diyas the negative power will go from our house. This was said by our grandparents, and on this day many people go to temples and keep their diyas and also near their house so that their house must be very good and the negative powers can go from their house.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, नाइस स्पीकिंग, वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ.
And the next day is celebrated as Govardhan. On this day, in all the temples, Ankut is made because this is the festival when Bhakt Prahlad got saved from the from sir उनका नाम क्या था सर जो हाँ from Hiranyakashyap. So on this day Ankut is made with the help of cow dungs and many things are offered to that Ankut. And people worship that Ankut and the next day is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. On this day sisters go to their brother's house and apply tika on the heads of their brothers and offer them
Forehead.
forehead.
There is,
Yes, sir.
there is difference between head and forehead. हाँ.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
And offer them sweets. And brothers give gifts to their sisters. So like this, the main festival for Hindus is celebrated in India. That's it, sir.
नाइस स्पीकिंग, वेरी नाइस, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है, बस कंटिन्यू कोशिश करते रहो अपनी, ठीक है ना. यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Behrba. Today my topic is Diwali. We all know that we live in Bharat and Bharat is the country of festivals because many festivals are celebrated here like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Teej, Makar Sankranti, etc. All festivals are important and necessary for us. Um, um, all festivals are celebrated with happiness and joy. Diwali is one of them. Diwali is very important and biggest festival for us. Mm, Diwali is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram. Uh, Diwali is celebrated every year on Kartik Amavasya. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. On the first day, Dhanteras is celebrated. On this day, most of the people purchase utensils, gold, silver, clothes, etc. And second day, Choti Diwali is celebrated. Third day, the biggest festival and most important festival, Diwali, is celebrated. On this day, most of the people decorate their houses and shops with lights, lamps, flowers, etc. Before Diwali, all people clean their houses and shops and painted and decorated also them.
प्रेजेंट में बोलो, पेंट एंड डेकोरेट देम.
Yes, sir.
घबराओ मत. हाँ.
On this day, Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji worshipped by all people.
आर वर्शिप्ड, वर्ब फॉर्म पे ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा.
Are worshipped by all people and children and other firecrackers. And fourth day, Govardhan is celebrated. On this day, Ankut is prepared on the temples and houses also.
In the temples on नहीं.
In the temples and houses also,
थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो वर्ड्स पे. हाँ.
Ankut is served to all people as prasad. and fifth day, Bhai Dooj is celebrated. It is very important and necessary festival for sisters and brothers. On this day, sisters come to their brothers' houses and they apply tika to their brothers' forehead, and brothers give gifts to their sisters. Mm, it is a very good festival. This way we celebrate Diwali, and we all know that on these festivals, most of the people fire crackers. Because of crackers, our environment is pollute very much, and air pollution is increases very much. So we should fire crackers as limit, and we should celebrate Diwali happiness and joy. That's it, sir.
ठीक है, अच्छा है, सब कुछ ठीक है, एजिटेशन भी बहुत कम है, ना के बराबर है। पर अभी आप सुनना जरूर, बीच बीच में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स रह जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा प्रिपोजिशन थोड़ा एक बार सुनोगे तो पता चलेगा कि आप कहाँ कहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, है ना। आप सुनना जरूर, बस पर्पज यही होता है अपना रिकॉर्डिंग का, है ना। यस लकी। हम्म।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lucky Behra. Today I am telling about Diwali. We all know that we live in Bharat. Bharat is the country of festivals because many festivals are celebrated here, like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, and etc. But today my topic is Diwali. Diwali is the most important festival of Bharat. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram. It is celebrated for 5 days. First of all, we celebrated Dhanteras. On this day, most of the people purchase utensils, gold, silver, and other things.
शाबाश।
And second day, Choti Diwali is celebrated. And the next day, main festival Diwali is celebrated. On before this day, people clean their houses and they are white painted, whitewashed. And before this day, people decorate their houses. On this day, special food is prepared, and on this day, children and other people fire crackers with enjoy and happiness.
विद
And the
जॉय,
next,
इंजॉय नहीं, विद जॉय।
with joy and happiness. And the next day, Govardhan is celebrated. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. On this day, in the temples and houses, Angud is made. And the next day, Bhai Dooj is celebrated. On this day, sisters go to the market and purchased
परचेज क्यों,
coconut,
परचेज ही तो है, वो टेंस का ध्यान रखो।
purchase coconut and sweet, and they go their brother houses, and they apply tika to their brothers, and brothers give gifts to their sisters.
शाबाश शाबाश। हाँ,
This way, Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. Yes.
वेरी बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है बेटा, शाबाश। करते रहो बस कोशिश ऐसे ही, है ना। यस दृश्य।
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Darsh Agrawal and I am the student of Raman English online live interactive classes, and today I am going to tell you about Diwali. As we all know that Bharat is the land of festivals, and many festivals are celebrated here, and Diwali is one of them. Diwali is celebrated because after the duration of 14 years, Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya and when they came, many crackers were fired. Sorry, many diyas were burnt, and it was celebrated like a festival, and it was called Deepavali. And in short form, we say it as Diwali. Usually, Diwali is celebrated in the duration of 5 days, but I don't know why from the last year it has been celebrating in the duration of 6 days.
बजाय
And
ड्यूरेशन
one day
पीरियड यूज करो आप.
of,
हाँ.
in the period of 6 days,
Hmm.
in which one day is not celebrated because of any reason.
Hmm.
And on the first day, the first day is of Dhanteras. It is said to be auspicious to purchase things of gold, silver, and jewelries and utensils.
शाबाश. हाँ.
And it is a day of goddess Lakshmi and Lord Kuber.
Hmm.
And the next day is Choti Diwali. On this day, in evening, people worship Lord Ganesh and goddess Lakshmi. And after that, Badi Diwali comes, and it is the main festival in the period of these 5 days. And on this day, crackers are fired, and people eat delicious food, and delicious food is made on their home
In their homes.
and
In their at homes.
in their
In your
at their homes.
हाँ 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 आगे बोलो.
At their homes. And the next day is of Govardhan Puja. On this day, a drawing is made by using cow dung, in which it is shown that Lord Krishna is picking up the mountain Govardhan on his little finger.
Hmm.
And in the evening, the people worship it by चक्कर काटने को क्या बोलेंगे?
Taking round. By taking round.
Okay. By taking its rounds and chanting mantras.
Hmm.
And after that, Bhai Dooj comes, which is the last day in which, on which the sisters go to the homes of their brothers and apply tika on their forehead and take money from them.
Hmm.
And I am very jealous of this festival because we boys ask for money to their parents,
Yeah.
and the girls just applying a and tying a head gets money.
Hmm.
That's it.
Very good. ठीक है बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे ही. 2 दिन तो होते ही हैं ऐसे. There are 2 days in a year. But this is just love, nothing else. Yes, now I am calling Mohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Mohit, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 15. Today, my topic is Diwali. As we all know that Bharat has many festivals like Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Diwali, etc. Among them, Diwali is one. And it is said that this day, Ram, the god Ram, came back Ayodhya from Banvas, and Diwali comes in the month of October and November, and Diwali is celebrated after 20 days of Dasera,
Hmm.
and Diwali is celebrated for 5 days.
Hmm.
First of all, people celebrated
Mhm.
people
Celebrate.
celebrate Dhanteras.
Hmm.
On this day, all people go to market and buy utensils, gold, silver, car, etc.
Hmm.
And after Diwali, all people clean their house and
After या before?
decorate. Before Diwali, all people clean their house and decorate their house with light.
Hmm.
And after it, all people celebrate Diwali.
Hmm.
This day, all people put new clothes and they go to market and buy fire crackers and other things. And on the Diwali in the night, all people worship the Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji.
Hmm.
And after then,
आफ्टर
they
देन
fire
नहीं भाई, कितनी बार
crackers.
समझाया मैंने तेरे को?
After it, they fire crackers with joy and happiness.
Hmm.
And after after Diwali, all people celebrate Govardhan.
Hmm.
On this day, on this day, the ladies make the structure of Govardhan, and in the night, all people worship it. After then,
Uh-huh.
after it, they fire crackers on it,
Hmm.
and after Govardhan, all people celebrate Bhai Dooj.
Hmm.
On this day, sisters come to brother homes and sister applies tika on brother head and brother gives gift to his sister,
Hmm.
and some people firecracker from their hands on Diwali, by which they hurt their self, which is not
Themselves.
themselves, which is not right. And all people fire Deepak on Diwali, and people say that Deepak Deepak fire because of increased pollution and negativity. So we fire crackers, Deepak.
Hmm. क्या हुआ? Hmm? हेलो, क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ मोहित? मोहित डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। मोहित, यस कम ऑन यामिनी।
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Sao and I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch P16. Today my topic is Diwali. As we know about it, Diwali is the most important festival. As we all know about it, the India is the country of festivals. So many festivals are celebrated there, like Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Tej, etc. All festivals has have their own value, but Diwali is the most important festival in India. No other as festival is as important as Diwali. Diwali is the festival of happiness. On this day, the god Ram, the Lord of Ram, came back Ayodhya. On this occasion, um, the Ayodhya's people cleaned their house and apply, applied diyas on the outside of their houses. Um, they decorated their houses and celebrate this day. Um, follow this tradition. We all celebrated Diwali.
सेलिब्रेटेड क्यों? सेलिब्रेट प्रेजेंट में आएगा ना अपने।
Diwali
हाँ।
celebrate Diwali every year. We know about that the Diwali celebrate with four other festivals.
दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड, पैसे हो इसका ध्यान रखो।
Yes, so Diwali is celebrated with four other festivals. First of all, Dhanteras is celebrated. On this day, my elders say, we if we buy something, um, we it will be good for us. On this day, the people buy so many things like gold, silver, um, etc. Some people buy salt, sugar, and some people also buy. सर झाड़ू को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Broom.
Some people buy proof. The next day, the people celebrated. People
Last में
celebrate. People is
अरे इज
celebrated.
क्यों लगा रही है? एक्टिव ही तो बन रहा है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का. पीपल सेलिब्रेट, लोग मनाते हैं.
People celebrate.
इतना क्यों कंफ्यूज हो रही है? हाँ.
People celebrate Choti Diwali. On this day, elders and childs
चाइल्ड्स क्या होता है?
fire
चिल्ड्रन होता है.
firecrackers.
हाँ.
Children fire firecrackers. The next day, the main festival Diwali is celebrated. On this day, the people put new clothes
Put on.
and put on new clothes and eat so many different sweets. Our mother and our grandmothers make delicious food, and on this day the people go to temples and worship God. In the evening, the people worship Lakshmi, Ganeshji, and after it, um, the people fire firecrackers. On this day, the people enjoy with their families and make this day special. The next day, Govardhan is celebrated. On this day, the ladies made structure
मेड
of
क्यों? मेक आएगा
Govardhan
ना,
in the
प्रेजेंट टेंस में आएगा ना. क्यों स्लिप हो जाते हो आप बार बार?
make
फिर हाँ.
make a structure of Govardhan in the morning, and in the evening they worship it, and after it in the temples the some people serve ankut. This ankut, sorry sir, this festival made in the memory of Lord
It is
Krishna.
celebrated. It
The
is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. मेड कैसे आएगा?
yes.
कहाँ हो जाती है? खो जाती है क्या कहीं? हाँ.
The next day, the last festival, Bhai Dooj, is celebrated. On this day, the sisters come in their brother's house and
To their brother's
apply
house. हाँ.
tika and apply tikas on their heads,
Foreheads.
the foreheads, and the brothers give gifts, give gifts, or they enjoy so much. Before the Diwali holidays, our school and our so many surrounding areas are cleaned. Our school and our classrooms are cleaned by us, and we enjoy so much because it's the time of doing something other things, and spend time with each other. We play with water, and sometimes we waste water. After this, after Diwali's holidays, we go back to schools, and we give gifts on the Diwali, the elders. Thank you, sir. That's it.
ऑन द दिवाली एल्डर्स क्या बोल दिया लास्ट में? सब बेकार कर लास्ट में. अच्छा बोलती है लेकिन फोकस नहीं, तेरा कम रहता है. फोकस ठीक कर ले अपना. बाकी बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
हाँ सर, ओके,
Okay,
यस
sir.
तेजस्विनी आजा।
Hello everyone, I am Tejaswini Khanna. I am a student of the Ramban Interactive Online Classes from B16 group. Today our topic is Diwali. As we all know that we live in Bharat. Bharat is the country of festivals. There are many festivals are celebrated here, like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Teej, Dashera, etc. Diwali is one of them. Uh, Diwali is the most important festival in the Bharat. Uh, Diwali is the biggest festival of Bharat. It is celebrated. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram because the Lord Ram came back Ayodhya with Sita and Lakshman ji.
शाबाश।
Ayodhya's people celebrate this day as Diwali. This Diwali is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya. Before this festival, houses and shops are cleaned, and they are painted. With this festival, 4 other festivals are celebrated. First of all, Dhanteras is celebrated. This day, on this day, people purchase
घबराए मत,
utensils,
हाँ,
gold, silver, and many other things. The next day, Choti Diwali is celebrated. On this day, people worship Lakshmi ji and goddess Lakshmi ji and other gods, etc. The next day Diwali is the next day Diwali is celebrated. Diwali's main festival on this day people decorate our houses,
आवर क्यों
shops.
देयर हाउसेज आएगा, आवर क्यों आएगा बेटा?
Sorry, sir. Their houses, shops, and other things like temple, etc. And on this day, people. Sorry, sir. On this day, Diwali is prepared. Sorry, sir. Sweets are prepared. Sweets are prepared. Special food is prepared, and this day in the evening, people worship goddess Lakshmi ji, Saraswati ji, and God Ganesh ji. People and children firecrackers on this day. Then people people put on new clothes, and the next day Govardhan is celebrated. This day, uh, Ankur is made in the houses and temples. The next day, Baidu is celebrated. On this day, sisters are applied.
हाँ आर अप्लाइड नहीं सिस्टर्स अप्लाई ध्यान दे थोड़ा सा हाँ बोल 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 घबरा मत
Sisters apply tika on their brothers' hand,
forehead
on their brothers' forehead, and brothers give gifts for brothers give gifts their sisters.
to their sisters
Sorry, sir. In this way, Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया थोड़ा सा सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को है ना थोड़ा सा घबराहट को कम कर इसको तब जाकर के ठीक होगा यस कमन ज्योति
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. This festival is the festival of lights. Hindus celebrate it with very much joy. In this festival, people light up their houses with diyas. People worship Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Diwali is the brightest festival in the world. People of various religions celebrate Diwali. This festival is the victory of light over darkness. The main reason to celebrate Diwali is to return Lord Ayodhya of Lord Ram after defeated Ravan, the Asur king of Lanka. So after defeating the Asur king of Lanka, so every year on this day we celebrate it as a symbol of godness. The Lord Ram with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman came back to Ayodhya. They spent 14 years of vanvas ko exile. They spent 14 years of exile in the forest. The people of Ayodhya expressed their love and attachment to their king with heartful welcome. They lighted up their houses and the whole state with lights. In this way, they welcomed Raja Ram. Till then, it is celebrated for 5 days. First Dhanteras, Narak Chaturdashi, Diwali, Govardhan and Bhai Dooj. First of all, Dhanteras is celebrated. On this day, people purchase new clothes, utensils, gold and silver coins of God Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi. And many people purchase broom on this day. They consider that broom is like a goddess Lakshmi. So they worship it with God Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi. The second day, Narak Chaturdashi is celebrated, and the third day, Diwali is celebrated. On this day, we worship God Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi. New clothes are worn by the all. They go to door for wishing Diwali, and fourth day Govardhan is celebrated. On this day, people make Govardhan statue with cow dung and worship it, and on this day, Annakut is made in temples, and fifth day, it is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters call or go to their brothers' houses. They apply tika on their brother's forehead and eat sweets. And brothers give them gift and money. In the end, we can say this beautiful festival carries prosperity and wealth. Uh, on this day, we decorated our houses with flowers and lights. And nowadays, all people apply lights on the place of lamps. So I want to say that lamps are very useful for us because many mosquitoes are killed by with the help of light with the help of lamps. So in instead of light, you should apply lamps. So happy Diwali to all. That's it, Guruji.
Very good. Nice speaking. Shabash. Yes, Dharamveer.
Yes,
बोल
sir.
बेटा.
Hi everyone, my name. Today's of topic Deepavali. India is a country of festival because many festivals decorated. Diwali is very important. Diwali is celebrated every year. How Diwali's houses and shops are cleaned before Diwali. This Diwali is celebrated all over India. They will this way festival is celebrated for 5 days. And first day Dhanteras is celebrated and next day Diwali is celebrated.
बोल घबराए मत अभी तो तू बहुत बच्चा है अभी तो हो जाएगा तेरा अभी तो महीना भर हुआ है बोल घबरा मत
Diwali everyone decorated houses and shops. Lakshmi ji is worshipped Deepavali. That is sir.
कोई बात नहीं बहुत अच्छा शाबाश अब करना क्या है तेरे को तेरे लिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं केवल आराम से इसको अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना फिर आराम से तसल्ली से बैठना फ़ोन लेना रिकॉर्डिंग करना अपना वीडियो बनाना एक आराम से तसल्ली से बोलना आराम से जैसे तेरे को बोलना हो और फिर उसको भेजना मेरे पास ठीक है चलो ठीक है ओके और तो कोई नहीं रह गया ओके थैंक यू